Question number 33. The current I flowing in the loop A is in a clockwise direction. Okay, so it's going clockwise direction. So as to induce a current both in loops B and C, there's a problem on EMI, right? Electromagnetic induction. All three loops are on the same plane. What is the direction of the induced currents in the loops B and C? Now, when a current goes like this, what is the magnetic field being generated? Magnetic field is generated interior here, okay, due to this one. Now, what does the loop B do? Loop B doesn't like this. So, what does it do? It produces a magnetic field outwards over here, right? It produces a magnetic field outwards. I'll write it here. B will generate a magnetic field outwards. If it generates a magnetic field outwards, then what will happen? The current which should pass through this one is in this direction. So, clockwise. So, loop B should have a current like this over here. So, clockwise. So, these two are incorrect. Now, let us look at this here. Now, look at this here. When the current comes here, see the current is now going like this. What does this do? This says, okay, you are generating a magnetic field at my center over here. I am not interested. I should now generate a field, okay, which should oppose your magnetic field. If a current goes like this, then the magnetic field outer. What is the magnetic field outer? So, if I use this one here as a straight conductor, then what will happen? So, you will get a magnetic field. So, the current should be opposite to it, right? So, thus the current will be in this direction. What is this direction? It will be in the clockwise direction. So, clockwise direction, loop C will be clockwise and loop B will be anti-clockwise. Where is it now? Loop C would be clockwise and loop B would be oh, I made a mistake here. Loop C would be clockwise, loop C would be clockwise and loop B would be anti-clockwise. So, C is the right answer.